You spend hours learning, but forget most of it. What's going on? Forgetting is not a failure, it's a design flaw. We've all been there, spending countless hours studying, only to forget most of what we learned. It's like our brains are leaking information. But what if I told you that it's not your brain's fault? It's the way we're designed to learn. The traditional methods of learning are broken, and it's time for a change. Enter knowledge architecture, a new approach to learning that's based on how. Research from the Journal of Applied Psychology shows that our brains are wired to recognize patterns, not memorize facts. So, why are we still trying to cram information into our heads? It's time to shift our focus from memorization to connection making. By creating a network of interconnected ideas, we can retain information more effectively and recall it when we need it. This is the core principle of knowledge architecture. Another key aspect of knowledge architecture is the use of visualization techniques. By creating mental images of the information we want to learn, we can encode it more effectively in our brains. This is why mind maps, diagrams, and other visual tools are so effective. They help us to see the relationships between different pieces of information and create a mental framework for organizing our knowledge. But knowledge architecture is not just about individual learning, it's also about how we collaborate and share knowledge with others. By creating a shared framework for understanding, we can work more effectively together and build on each other's ideas. This is especially important in today's fast-paced, rapidly changing world, where the ability to learn and adapt quickly is crucial for success. So, how can you start applying the principles of knowledge architecture in your own life? Start by identifying the key concepts and ideas that you want to learn, and then create a mental framework for organizing them. Use visualization techniques to encode the information in your brain, and look for ways to connect new ideas to what you already know. With practice, you'll find that you're able to learn and retain information more effectively, and recall it when you need it. The most powerful aspect of knowledge architecture is its ability to help you create a sense of depth and understanding. By building a complex network of interconnected ideas, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the subject matter and be able to see how different concepts relate to each other. This is the key to true mastery and expertise, and it's what sets knowledge architecture apart from other learning methods. So, what's the first step you'll take to start building your own knowledge architecture? Will you start by identifying key concepts, creating a mental framework, or using visualization techniques? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, the key to effective learning is not just about memorization, but about creating a deep understanding of the subject matter. By applying the principles of knowledge architecture, you can unlock a new level of learning and retention, and achieve your goals more quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on productivity and learning.